Astrology is ancient wisdom. It guides our life journey. It helps us understand destiny's patterns. This includes our unique potential for financial well-being. The stars whisper secrets of prosperity. It is a profound science. Your birth chart is a personal cosmic map. It is unique to your moment of birth. This sacred blueprint reveals your innate strengths. It also shows potential challenges on your path to abundance. This chart is a gift. It helps you see clearly. Embrace its insights always. This map is not a rigid fate. It is a dynamic guide to inner possibilities. Understanding it empowers you. You can make conscious choices. You can shape your financial destiny. The power resides within you. Astrology merely shows the way. Your spirit navigates the journey. Use this celestial knowledge wisely. Align your actions with cosmic energies. This unlocks your true capacity for wealth and fulfillment. It is a journey of spiritual and material growth, hand in hand. Discover the abundance that awaits. The universe wishes you well. Listen to its subtle guidance. Astrological houses define life areas. The second house is vital for wealth. It signifies your personal assets, your income, and your savings. It also deeply reflects your core values and your sense of self-worth. This house is your foundation. It shows what you truly value. Money is energy, like all else. Imagine the second house as your treasure chest. It holds your material resources. Strong planets here suggest good earning power and stability. It shows how you manage what you possess in this lifetime. It speaks of your ability to attract and retain wealth. Nurture this house with care. The 11th house is also crucial for finance. It is the house of gains and the fulfillment of aspirations. It represents income from your profession and your most cherished ambitions, and it governs your supportive social networks and true friendships. These connections can bring opportunities. A well-aspected 11th house brings opportunities. Friends may offer great help and support. It can indicate large-scale success and recognition for your efforts. These two houses, the 2nd and 11th, together reveal your financial flow. They show how abundance enters your life. Understand their combined message. This is key to financial harmony. Sometimes, planets present financial tests. These are called malefic influences in the ancient science of astrology. Mars and Saturn often bring such lessons. They teach us valuable spiritual truths through the challenges they present. These are not punishments, they are opportunities for growth. Embrace them with an open heart. Mars can incite impulsive spending habits. It might lead to unexpected financial losses, or it may cause disputes over money matters with others. Its fiery energy demands mindful and conscious financial management. Pause before you act financially. Seek calmness in monetary decisions. This tames the Martian fire. Saturn, the great cosmic teacher, brings delays. It can create feelings of financial restriction. Saturn tests your patience and your discipline in material affairs. Its lessons are about building lasting security through diligent effort. Saturn rewards perseverance and structure. It teaches the value of time. These financial hurdles often have karmic roots. They may reflect past life actions or patterns. Understanding this helps face them constructively. We can resolve these old imprints with present wisdom and right action. Karma is not fate, it is memory. You can change your karmic trajectory. Conscious living is the key. Astrological obstacles are not final. They are not meant to defeat you. They are truly invitations for profound spiritual growth. Awareness of your birth chart's challenges is key. This is the very first step towards achieving financial mastery. Knowledge itself is a powerful tool. Use it to illuminate your path. Specific remedies can help greatly. Chanting sacred mantras daily soothes difficult planetary energies. Acts of selfless charity also help to balance your karmic accounts. These simple practices create positive, abundant vibrations around you. They align you with cosmic harmony. Small actions create big shifts. For fiery Mars, cultivate calmness in finance. Avoid any rash monetary decisions. Think before you spend or invest. For Saturn, embrace patience and steady effort. Build your financial foundation slowly but surely with dedication. Discipline is your friend here. Consistency leads to lasting results. Every challenge overcome builds your inner strength. It unlocks newer levels of your potential. Your birth chart shows the way, the map. Your free will chooses the journey. Embrace your unique path to abundance with courage and with deep faith. The universe supports your highest good. Believe in your power to create. Prosperity is your birthright.